Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to reinstall Windows on your computer without needing to create a bootable USB flash drive or having a Windows DVD necessarily, or knowing how to change your boot order in your computer to make it all happen. So just keep in mind, this is reinstalling Windows. This is not installing Windows from scratch. And then also keep in mind, this is going to overwrite your current Windows installation, so it's not going to save any of your programs or files. So if you do try this out, make sure you back everything up because it's going to be a new installation once everything is done. Okay, so the program we're going to use is called WinToHDD, so it's a free program. So once you install it, you just run it. Okay, now we're going to do the reinstall Windows option. There's some other options here too that you could try out. Okay, so now you need to browse to your image file. So here are the options here: ISO, WIM, ESD, SWM. You could have VHD and VHDX files if you have virtual disks. I have an ISO file on this other drive. So the file cannot be on your C drive with Windows, obviously, because you're going to be wiping that out. So you're going to have it on some other type of drive or a flash drive or something that can be read. Okay, then you just pick your edition. So for licensing, you probably want to use the same edition you already have unless you have a key for a different version or don't care about activation. So this is Windows 11 Home, so we're going to do Windows 11 Home again, which matches our ISO file. This is a Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, so now it wants you to select the EFI system partition. So my only option here is this 70 gig disk, so that's what it selected. So there's options here for Legacy, VHD, and VHDX. So you're most likely going to use the Legacy option, which will install Windows directly into the boot partition. Then you have options here for additional drivers if you want to bypass the internet connection requirement, if you don't have an internet connection, and prevent automatic device encryption, which shouldn't be happening to begin with. You could also enable BitLocker at the same time. So we're just going to leave these blank, go with Legacy, click on Next. So it says it needs to build a WinPE image, so we're going to say yes to this. This should only take a second. Okay, all data on the selected partition, which is the C drive, will be destroyed. So like I said, make sure you back up your data. Say yes to that. It says a reboot is required. Say yes to that. Okay, so now it boots up into the WinToHDD tool. So it says installing, so this will take a few minutes here. So we'll pause the video and be back when it's done. Okay, so we're rebooting again. So I'll be pausing this video as we go through here so you don't have to watch, things just spinning the whole time. Okay, so now you can see we have the typical Windows installation screens here. So let's go through these real quick. All right, rebooting once again. All right, so now we're going to have to sign in with the Microsoft account. So you could do this restore option if it finds your Microsoft account to try and restore your settings. It's not going to restore your apps or files unless you're using OneDrive. It'll resync them, but it'll try and restore your settings and your background and that kind of thing. But it's not going to do like a complete backup and restore of everything that was on your computer from before. And then you also have the option to set up as a new PC if you just want to start clean. All right, so now it's going to have to go for this initial profile setup, which takes a couple minutes. So we'll fast forward through that. Okay, so we're logged in here. Resolution's a little off, but that's okay. So you can tell it's a new installation. It has some of the recommended files based on what it restored from that one option that I showed you. So I know I had some pictures on this computer, so those are gone. And the program that we used to reinstall Windows is gone, so it is a clean installation. All right, you can see it's also syncing the files from OneDrive, which Microsoft likes to do whether you like it or not. All right, so anyways, you can see this WinToHDD tool is an easy way to reinstall Windows. Like I said, it's reinstalling it, not updating it, and not doing like a repair installation. It's going to wipe everything, so just keep that in mind when using it. So I will put a link in the description where you could download it. It's free to use, and then you could try it for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.